guys, in this video, I want to show you how to mint your Soulbound token for participating in an educational event, workshop, or hackathon at EcoLens or techFiesta. So you will always receive an email from us with the mint link for your Soulbound token. The email will be something like this. Education, front-end integration with smart contracts. This is, for example, for an educational event that I have participated in for front-end integration with smart contracts. The email comes from techfiesta.dev. It looks like this. So you can see your token already that is going to be minted into your Concordium wallet. You have to download the Concordium wallet in order to mint your Soulbound token into the Concordium wallet. And then you have some text. Hi, thanks for participating. And here is the link that you have to click on. So by clicking on the link, you'll see a home page where, again, you will find the information displayed about, and of course here, the Concordium wallet will connect. It's important to connect your Concordium wallet in order to get the minting link. So if you don't have it, you have to download it, but you'll get a pop-up. I have it, right? But if you don't have it, you'll get a pop-up where it will say that you can download the Concordium wallet. For that, you have to go through an ID process where you have to upload a picture of your passport or ID, and then also a selfie of yourself. And then you'll go through an identification process. And when you have it, you will be able to mint your Soulbound token. All right, so here I'm at this whole page, clicking at the Soulbound token, or Mint Soulbound token link, and then I'll get this transaction pop up in my wallet, and then I have to sign it. And after signing it, the Soulbound token is minted into my wallet. Now, the exciting part starts. How do I see my Soulbound token in my wallet? You have to copy this contract index, and it will be different for different Soulbound tokens that you receive. Then you go into your Concordium wallet and you go to manage. Here you type this number and then you look for the tokens. Here you will see tokens with this contract number, contract index number, and when you see your balance 1, this is your token. This is the tokens dedicated to you, and you have to click here in order to edit. Then update tokens, and then you can find your wallet, your Soulbound token here. Let me find it. Front-end integration with smart contracts. It's here. Right? So here I can see the token in my wallet. Another super cool thing is when you go to the dashboard of yourself, right, on techFiesta. So this is my dashboard now for me as a user. And when I go to my credentials, I can also see this in my credentials, right? So these are all Soulbound tokens that I have minted for different things. And I just got directly, because I'm also connecting my Concordium wallet here, and then it directly adds my new Soulbound token. So that's it. Happy minting of your certificates, and it's going to be super cool to view them on your dashboard.